I was lucky enough to take a ride up to Bobhead recently. I met Mark, Damien and Seb up there, two of the founders and the guy who runs their sales now. By pure luck, I decided to plot a route up there, have a look, see what it's like. Wasn't sure if I was in the right place. On the outside, very unassuming, but what an amazing place it is inside. I've got to say, if you're anywhere nearby, and even if you're not, and it's worth a ride over there, the guys were so lovely, and made me a coffee, showed me around all the products, explained them all to me. They're all there to try on, which is something that I've missed out on recently if you've watched my Airbag reviews. And so I was able to try stuff on, and I've got to say, although I went there looking for an Armoured shirt, I didn't quite expect it to be as good as it was when I tried it on. So I ended up walking away with one of these. This is I believe it's called the Alpha-X Armoured Bobhead shirt. It is AAA, which is pretty cool because my Alpine Stars jacket is only AA. And they showed me some stuff when I was there, just some armoured clothing that they've made that survived incidents at high speed, and they've got just little scuffs on. And I tried this on in the store and immediately thought, this is a lot better than I thought it was gonna be, to be honest, because you see all the ads on social and stuff, and that people are very clever on social, right? And they'll make you buy stuff. But I went to the store and tried it on and was pleasantly surprised. It was brilliant. And actually everything in the store I wanted to buy. So I bought this and a t-shirt actually, and I then got out. But I wanted to kind of talk about this a little bit because I am quite impressed with it. My main question when I went in there is I was looking for something I could ride within the heat. It was about 30 degrees plus Celsius that day again, and it's still warm. But let's talk through it. So firstly, it has got armour in the back, shoulders and arms. Now I believe it's level 1 armour. So you can kind of see the back armour here. It's very thin. Apparently they were telling me it's one of the thinnest level 1 armours you can get. It's narrow, so it's much narrower than you would find on, I've got the plasmas and stuff here. It's kind of much narrower than these. It's kind of the center straight down without the wings on it in the middle of this. But to be honest, that's where my spine is. So that's probably the most important place to have it, I would say. It doesn't go all the way down though. I do wonder, again, this is kind of one of my back protectors that I wear, which isn't full size. I've got another one of these plasmas that goes kind of all the way down here. I don't know why they don't do that in all the jackets and stuff, to be honest. There must be a reason. But I'm wearing this with my airbag, and so the airbag protects my lower spine anyway. And as we all know, as we've discussed before, if you have a wrong accident, it doesn't make any odds, does it? But I'm just trying to increase my chances of surviving without a serious injury. Then you've got obviously armour in the shoulders and the arms. And again, it's very thin, very flexible. You don't really feel it's there at all, which is great. You've got this great lining inside. You've got the Bobhead logo on the back. Obviously all that's subjective as to whether you like logos on stuff or not. All the poppers are kind of branded, which is really nice. The material feels great. 2 pockets on the front, which you can use. Fit for me, so this is a medium, and I wear medium clothes. This is a medium t-shirt, and I wear a kind of 38 regular jacket, like a dinner jacket or whatever. This I think fits me really well. I guess you can be the judge of that, what you think. It's got a zipper and then poppers. So they assure me I don't have to zip it all the way for it to work. It's not going to burst open, especially because of the poppers. So you can have it as tight as you want it. Have it a little bit open for a bit more of a casual look, and again with the airbag over the top. I find this much more comfortable than I do wearing a jacket under an airbag, so that's good. I rode back in 30 degrees. It's the same story, when it does get warm, but as long as you're moving, this is actually relatively cool. The guys tell me they wear these kind of in Dubai in the heat, and they're all right. So that's very promising. What I would say though, I love it. I think it's really good. I'm going to wear it, especially when it's a little bit cooler. When it's sort of 24, 25 degrees, it's going to be absolutely perfect. In terms of things I think could be improved, although as I say, it's a great jacket. Firstly, the wrists. So you've only got one popper on the wrists. I noticed on their cargos, they've got multiple poppers, so you can change the size. I got pretty thin wrists, and these are quite tight. If you're a big guy, you're a stocky person, this might be a bit tight. And if you've got a watch on, it's tight. And if you want to put these over your gloves, it's quite tricky. It's very hard, in fact. I do think these should be a little bit wider with two poppers, so you can have it this size, or you can have it a little bit wider if you wanted over your gloves. Other thing is, it kind of sits out a little bit on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that there. So just maybe a taper on the bottom would be cool. And then the only other thing, I think this would be brilliant, just vents. A couple of vents here, hidden zips or whatever if you wanted. I mean, these are hidden zips here. I haven't taken this tag off. If you had two vents here that you could just undo, it would make a huge difference to this jacket. But apart from that, maybe version 3, because I think this is version 2. I think maybe the previous version was AA. Apart from that, they've done a freaking awesome job. I think it's great. Hopefully you think it looks all right. It'll probably look better on a better looking person than me, but that's pretty much everything I've got to say about it. Hopefully you found this useful. If you're thinking about Bobhead gear, you're getting all the ads on social media, all I would say is that it is as good as they say it is in terms of the kind of construction, quality, the feel of the material, that kind of stuff. It has to be, it says it's AAA, and as far as I'm aware, if you're saying it's AAA, it's certified, so it is AAA. You could, I assume as well, if you wanted, you could change the back protection and the elbow and shoulder protection to level 2 if you wanted, but I think this is a pretty good compromise in terms of kind of safety. And based on the videos they showed me of their stuff in action, in accidents, this is going to protect you pretty well. But again, do your own research and make your own decisions and ride safe.